Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add a profile picture on Indeed. Adding a profile picture helps personalize your profile and make a stronger impression on potential employers. So, let's get started on how to add a profile picture on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, select Profile. In your profile settings, you can see your contact information. However, Indeed does not offer the option to upload a profile picture directly to your profile. The only way to have your picture visible to employers is by adding it to your resume. You can upload your resume with a profile picture in the CV section, where you can personalize your resume. And that's how you can add Indeed profile picture. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.